In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. If you never used clock app before, hit allow in the pop-up. Now you need to create new alarm thanks to this plus at the bottom right corner of this section, and adjusting all of those options however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones, and click on alarm name to label it however you want to. Now you can click on those two switches next to those two features to switch them off, sorry misclick, or on. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust them by clicking on each one on the left. Let's start with alarm sound. To adjust the volume of it, operate this slider at the bottom. To pick one of these sound sources, click on one of those options, like for example Spotify. Log into your account and then use music from it. If you want to, you can also select ringtone, hit allow, manage those two switches next to those two features, and even click on this plus at the top right corner to pick any song from your device as your new alarm sound. First decide if you wish to play selected highlights, then tap on the song and hit save at the top right corner. If you don't want to do that, you can also select one of those sounds and go back. Like for example, Moon Discovery. Then select snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back and click on alarm background. Now hit select photos and videos or allow all, and click on background at the top left corner. To pick one of the featured backgrounds, tap on one of those and hit done at the top right corner. If you want to select a photo or a video from your tablet, click on background again, and this time select wherever you want to from your gallery section. I will go with this photo. Then hit done at the top right corner. Finally, to save your alarm, hit save at the bottom right corner, and as you can see, mine is over here. To make some changes, click on your alarm, change wherever you want to, and tap on save. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. And to get rid of it, hold it and click delete at the bottom on the right. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!